Being alive today, you probably know that lightning is a form of electricity. But this wasn't obvious in the 18th century. And if you were this green-haired person here watching houses get struck by lightning, you'd probably think, what is this thing? Let's go back to the professor to get some more context on this situation.
Before the explosion of electrical studies in the 18th century, lightning was interpreted as an explosion of sulfurous matter coming from the earth. But people started to realize some analogies between lightning and electricity. Benjamin Franklin was not the first to think about the analogy. It was already present in science. And for example, a French scientist, he wrote down a list of analogies between lightning and artificial electricity. But it was Benjamin Franklin to stress the analogy. One of the most evident effects you see studying electricity are attractions and repulsions. And so there are interactions between electrified bodies. And there is a quantity called electrical charge, which is one of the quantities involved in the phenomenon. The bigger the charge, the stronger the effect in the same conditions. The analogy with gravity is very clarifying.
So it looks like we have our work cut out for us. But with the help of Benjamin Franklin, it looks like we may be able to answer this question. What is this lightning? And we might even be able to prevent it from hitting our churches, houses, and other buildings. Now, if you've ever rubbed your feet on the carpet and then touched your finger to your friends, you might have noticed a little spark. That spark is electricity. It was Franklin's idea that this spark was the same as this giant spark in the sky, and that both were a form of electricity.